Namaskar students. Today we are going to see definitions of one-one functions and onto functions. In last lecture we have seen number of one-one functions and onto functions from a given set to another set. Okay. Now what is one-one function and what is onto function we have to see today. Okay. So first definition. So one-one function. So we can also call it one-to-one function. Okay. Okay, or injective function. It is also called injective functions. Injective. So what is the definition of this? So we see the definition. Suppose A and B are two non-empty sets. Capital A and B are non-empty sets. And F is a mapping from, what is the notation for this? F is a mapping from A to B, is said to be, it's said to be 1-1 if and only if for any two elements. We can take any two elements from A, x comma y. From A we have for any x and for f of x is equals to f of y, we have this condition f of x equal to f of y implies x is equals to y. Okay, if the mappings are equal, if we take any two elements in range, that is f of x and f of y equal, and if we get x and y equal, then given function is 1-1. Or we have another definition also, if and only if x different from y. If these two elements are different, then f of x is also different from f of y. In this way or this way we can show any two given functions are 1-1. Okay. So by using some examples we will see how can we check whether given functions are 1-1 or not. Okay. So let us take one example. One-one function. So first example, check whether following function is 1-1. Functions are 1-1. 1. Okay. So let us check. So f of x equals to, suppose we take e raised to x. It's an exponential function. So obviously whenever such type of functions given, the x came from real numbers and e raised to x also came from real numbers. We will take. Okay. So we will check for 1-1. Okay. So proof. So here mapping from R to R. Okay. So we will take any two elements from this real number set, that is domain. So for any x comma y from real number R, we will take any two elements from R, and for we just consider this condition, that is f of x equals to f of y. Okay. So let us take any two element from range set, that is f of x and f of y equal. We have to consider this. Okay, and we have to show whether so what is f of x here? F of x is, this implies f of x is e raised to x. What is f of y? Just replace x by y. So it is e raised to y. Now take e raised to x equal to e raised to y. So taking log on both sides, we just take log on both sides. So log of e raised to x is equal to log of e raised to y, and we know that log and e vanishes each other. This implies x equals to y. So hence given function is, so we get x equals to y. So this is the definition of whenever f of x equal to f of y, we get x equal to y. So obviously this function is 1-1. Here f is 1-1. Okay. Understood? So next question. Okay. So how many there are so many functions which are 1 1. So we will take another definition which is onto, very important definition, onto function. So onto function. So what do you mean by onto function? So onto or surjective mapping, it is also called surjective. So again, for any two sets A and B, okay, for any, you just take the definition. Now for any two sets, for any two non-empty sets, A and B, a function f from A to B is said to be onto, if and only if for every element in B, B is codomain. Obviously, each and every element in codomain has pre-image, means in domain, has pre-image in A. So that is, this is very simple definition. For every element in B has pre-image in A. Okay. So we just check some functions which are onto. Okay. We just check whether it is onto or not. So take the example. We will check for ontoness. So example, let us take again same function f of x equal to e raised to x. We have checked it is 1 1. Okay. So now we will check for ontoness. So obviously this is f which is mapping from R to R. Okay, real number to real number, and we will check for ontoness. So guys, we take this. Now what is f of x? F of x is e raised to x. Let us take this as y. We just consider it as y. Okay. So e raised to x equal to y for all x belongs to R. Now e raised to x equal to y means, how can we relate x and y? Now we have to focus on x, how x is treated for every y. If we get for every y from this R has a pre-image in R, then we say that given function is onto. Now e raised to x equal to y, this implies x equals to log y. Okay. So x equal to log y. So what is y here? Y is from real numbers. Y may be positive, y may be negative. So is it this x, whether it is defined for this? If we take y is negative, suppose y is negative number, so y is negative, then log of negative y is not defined. Obviously y log of negative y, so log cannot be defined on negative number. Okay. So x is not well defined. X is not well defined here. So x is not present there. So we don't have any pre-image in, for this y we don't have pre-image in domain. Okay. So that's why f of x equals to e raised to x is not onto. Okay. See, this is very important thing. Okay. We need x. Using e raised to x equal to y, we find out x equals to log y, and log y cannot be defined for negative numbers. That's why x cannot be defined, and whenever x is not defined, such type of functions are not onto. Okay. So f of x equal to e raised to x is 1 1 but not onto. Okay. So guys, these are the two examples from 1 1 and onto functions. So in next lecture we will see some examples based on this. Thank you.